Awesome. Nice meeting everybody. I'm Maria, the founder and CEO of Sinai Technologies. Um, really quick about myself. I'm originally from Brazil. I came to the US 6 years ago, but I actually been working climate my entire life. Both of my parents are also in the climate space. I grew up in a climate family. Um, and I started my career in the sustainable construction industry, promoting and adapting a certification for green buildings in Brazil and 5 other countries in Latin America. I did this for almost 10 years. Then I left and I decided to take a break in California. I don't know why. My heart was telling me to come here. So while I was here, I got accepted into this program in Singularity University. Maybe you've heard of it. And after this program that was about how to use exponential technologies to solve climate change, I started Sinai. That was in December 2017. So we are the first decarbonization intelligence platform. We help carbon intensive industries to actually decarbonize. Carbon intensive means the biggest polluters in the world. So all of those very dirty companies are our customers, which is very fun to deal with it. But anyway, really briefly about us, we were founded in 2017. My co-founder is over there, Align. Raise your hand. Go talk to him. He's our CTO, amazing co-founder, business partner. I couldn't have made it without him. But anyway, we started the company in 2017. We have customers in over 20 plus industries. These are some of our customers. Maybe you're not super familiar with them because they are actually, the companies of the companies of the companies that you're not aware. But this is moving from cosmetics to transportation to agriculture, banks, chemicals. So these are all our companies' customers. We are in over 60 countries. We actually have an office here in San Francisco, in London, Sao Paulo, and we are now getting to Tokyo very soon. And we are also venture backed by top VC firms in Silicon Valley. We've raised over $30 million. We are on our Series A, and we are hiring across the board. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about that soon. But yes, this is a quick peek of the system. We are actually the operating system for these carbon intensive companies. We allow them to calculate their carbon emissions, which is basically their impact. What are their operations and how they are actually impacting the environment. So we transform those normally electricity consumption, fuel consumption, and waste generation into carbon emissions. And then we allow them to find solutions that would reduce those sources of emissions. And we also connect financial data to those solutions so they actually know what is the cost for reducing. So it's not exactly buying carbon credits or buying carbon removals. It goes much beyond that because they really need to change their operations, the way that they operate, if they want to make any changes in the road. So we help them to do this analysis, and we help them to understand what is the cost for reduction, which is ultimately the biggest questions that they all have. I'm a tree hugger, and I'm sure there are many other tree huggers here, but at the same time, we need to transform this information into business data. Otherwise, these companies they're not going to do anything. So this is the biggest value proposition we bring to our customers. So like I said, we are hiring across the board. We have opening positions. I don't know if this is going to work, but this is actually our hiring page. But you can just come to me and Align, and we're going to be happy to tell you more about everything. We have positions open in engineering, product, climate, if anybody's in climate here, sales, and operations. And we're going to keep open more positions soon. So thank you so much. Come talk to us.